We have with us Mr. Mayank Parikh, Chief Operating Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Hello, sir. My first questions, tell us the May sales figures. How do they look?
May sales figures are already out, so they look very good. See, if you see, Maruti has grown by 16% plus in domestic market, and whereas the other competitors together have declined by around 4%. So industry has grown by around 3%. So for us, it has been a good month, and we have seen a really good number. An interesting thing is that this growth is not only wholesale. In the retail, we have seen equal growth, so which is a good news.
Also, sir, what are the consumer sentiments like, and what are you as a company doing to revive it?
Yeah, in our business, consumer sentiments are the most important. Nobody buys car if she is not feeling good. So very important for us to monitor that. What I have been seeing is very too early to say, but first time I am seeing after a long time that there is some sort of positivity in terms of sentiments. What we have been seeing last 18 months or so is that a lot of customers come to showroom to purchase the car, but eventually they don't buy car. And one reason which we are able to trace is that they are not sure of future, they are a little confused. So that is what we define as sentiment. So I am seeing for the first time that there is some positivity in that.
Right. Also, let's talk about Celerio. I mean, it is one car, especially the AMT version, where you were not expecting the demand that you got. You were not prepared for it.
Yeah.
Now there is a huge waiting period. What are you doing to, deliver the cars a little quicker, if I may say so?
Okay, see, we are expecting around 25 to 30% ratio of AMT. Just to give you a background, originally the AT ratio or automatic ratio used to be around 2%. So we thought it will be 25%. It turned out to be 50%, much higher than what we thought, and we're really sorry that customer has to wait. So what we are doing is that we are trying to increase our supply. Supply is on two levels. One is our supply, and our suppliers, component suppliers should be able to have supply. So while Maruti Suzuki has adequate capacity, our suppliers do not have. So current efforts are to increase that supply. We expect 4-5 months later, we should see some improvement in supplies.
Also, I mean, there's a trend in the sense, this time around, you have seen more positivity in the compact segment of your cars, not the bread and butter cars.
Mini cars.
Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, see, mini car customer primarily are the first time buyers, and any slowdown or uncertainty, they are the first people who hold back on their decision to buy cars. So yes, that is so. But first time, and this is again a very good sign, we saw in the month of May some growth in the Alto segment. Alto segment is our real entry level car. So first time I am seeing some sort of growth in that, which makes us very confident that this will lead to some sort of revival.
Also, what do you expect from the government? I mean, in terms of excise due, as a car manufacturer, what is your expectations? Because auto industry is a very important factor that revives the economy. So what are your expectations from the government as a car manufacturer?
I think ideally the excise reduction which was done in February 2014 till 30th June it is expected to be there. I expect that to continue because that's one big important thing which could help auto industry.
What do you think of 2015? 2014 was a bit of a disappointment in terms of overall, the sales report that had come. What do you think of the year 2015?
See, as you said, fiscal 14 the industry declined by 6%. Maruti was flat, but industry declined by 6%. So this year I expect Maruti should grow by double digit. We expect at least 10% growth this year.
Do you see, diesel is under recovery. Do you expect petrol cars to see a surge in terms of sales figure? Do you see a switch happening?
In fact, it is happening already. I will tell you some numbers. In fiscal 13, the diesel share had gone up to 58%. Fiscal 14, it came down to 52%. And I think the same will continue now. Because customers are very wise and intelligent, and they see if it makes economical sense to buy diesel, then only they buy diesel. So now the shift is happening actually.
Right. And this question probably is a little out of context, but it is about the Suzuki Ciaz and the Alpha. When do we see them coming? What plans?
Okay.
Any tip-offs? Anything?
Yeah. Before you go any further in that, as per company policy, we do not talk of future products. So
nothing at all.
No, nothing at all. When we launch, we'll meet again.
All right. Thanks a lot.